Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Shein. So let me take you to their website, which is Shein.com. Now, for the ones who doesn't know what is Shein, they are one of the online fast fashion retailer that offers a wide range of clothing, accessories, and footwear. It operates globally and has gained significant popularity, particularly among young adults for its affordable and trendy fashion items. So you can come to the website, you can explore all these products, and if you're in the mood of buying or shopping, you could just go ahead and buy it. But that's not why we are here. We are not here to spend money on the products that are available on Shein, but rather to get money from Shein. Can we do that? Of course we can. We simply have to join the affiliate program, start promoting them to our users, followers, traffic, and when they make the purchase through our efforts, we will be entitled to get commission from Shein. Now, the question is, how do we join the affiliate program of Shein? For that, let me take you to the website, which is cj.com. Now, why cj.com? So, CJ is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. And affiliate marketing networks, they work as a third party between brands and affiliates. In our case, we are affiliates and Shein is a brand. So to join the affiliate program of these brands, we have to join the respective affiliate marketing networks. In our case, in this respect, for this respective brand, we have to join the affiliate network of CJ, and we have to join them as a publisher. Now, what is publisher? In CJ, they call affiliates as publisher and brands as advertiser. So to join CJ as a publisher, you can click on sign up button on the top right hand side, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can go to the right side, which says partner with the world's best brand. Click on sign up and go through with the registration process. Now I understand registration process is tough, especially on the affiliate marketing networks. So don't worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create an affiliate account with TJ. You'll find the video link in the video description. Just follow the instructions from there, and that will help you to create an account with TJ. Once you got an account, just click, in that case, you can click on login, which will take you to the login page, enter your credentials over there, which will then take you to the dashboard. This is called Publisher Dashboard. Now, over here, you would be able to interact with different brands out there. You would be able to apply to the affiliate program, promote them, not just Shein. You could explore and promote all the other amazing brands. But for this video, we will only be focusing on Shein. So to apply to the affiliate program, you can click on advertisers, since CJ called brands as advertisers. When you do that, it will take you to this page. You will not see Shein here. You would see all the other brands that's available, unless you search for some specific brand. So you say they got over 3,000 brands. You could just explore and apply to any of these brands. And to apply to the affiliate program of Shein, on the left hand side, you can click go to the advertise search functionality and search for Shein. You can start typing, and you will see in the drop down, you can click on it. As you can see, the ID, which is 3773223. Once that got selected, just click on search, and then you would be able to see their program. So this is their program. When you click on it, you will see more information. You will see the contact email address as well, just in case if you want to reach out to them, you can. Then you can see their program description as well. This is so amazing. You can read through it to understand. Then you can click on program terms. This is where you can see the commission rate that they are offering to the affiliates. So if you join the affiliate program, you can get 10% commission. So if you bring anything to them, whatever 10% of that would be, you will earn. And if you look at the policies, you would be able to see all these policies, and you read it. So this way, you know what is allowed and what's not allowed, especially, this part, social media. So they allow people to promote them on social media in conjunction with traditional websites. So you must have a website. Along with that, you could promote them on social media. So that's one of the questions that people often have. Can we promote these brands on social media? So that's an answer for you. All right. So let's say you read it, you went through a bit more info, program terms, and you read it all, and now you want to apply to the affiliate program. How did you do that? You click on apply to program on the right hand side. So once you have clicked on apply to the program button, it will open up a window, and it will confirm to you that your application to the team of Shein has been submitted, and it will ask you to wait for some time for Shein's team to review and to give the confirmation to you. So basically, when you will be creating an account with CJ, you will be giving your online presence details. So when you click on apply to the program, you're basically submitting an application to Shein, and then you can give them between 2 to 3 days to 2 weeks of time. They might be getting a lot of application. In the meantime, you can just wait for them. And let's say when they give you the approval, in that case, you would be able to find them within the same section here. You just have to click on here, that is my advertisers, and you have to search and you would be able to find them in here. So let's say when you get the approval, then what? In that case, you can start promoting them, but you can't just take any link from the website. You have to click on this link section and you can use link tools to create tracking link. Now that's very important in affiliate marketing. When you get approval, you have to start promoting the brands using your unique tracking links, which you can generate by clicking this section. Now let's say you started promoting them and you started generating sales for them. So what about the commission? So all the commissions that will be generated, you would be able to see it here. You can click on the reports and you would be able to see the performance in here. Then how about the payment for the commission? So whatever payment or commission that will be accumulated, Shein will make the payment of that commission to CJ, and CJ will issue that commission to you. So for that, ensure you have set up the payment methods on CJ's platform. For that, you can click on account, go to administrative settings and update your payment details. You would have two options. Either you can update direct deposit as the payment method, or you could update Pioneer as your payment method. So whatever you like. And then there's another thing to consider. So whatever commission that will be getting accumulated in your publisher account with CJ, for CJ to issue the commission to you, the payment to you, you must exceed $50 unit. So long as you won't exceed it, you won't be getting the payment from CJ. So that's, just kind of minimum payment threshold value that they follow. So this is how you can search for Shein affiliate program, apply to them, get the approval, and start promoting them, start generating commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in applying to the affiliate program of Shein. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.